guys, welcome. We'll be looking at the identity of a 2x2 matrix. Now, we all know that the matrix, the 2x2 matrix is in the form A, B, C, D. Now, to find the inverse of a 2x2 matrix is in this form 1 over AD minus BC. So what is the determinant, and then we have times the adjoint, which is D A minus B minus C. Now let us say we are given this 2x2 matrix. And to find the identity, it's the matrix. Let us call this A. Is the matrix times its identity. So all we have to do is just find the identity of this and multiply it by this, and we should get this. And C-sec will say show that AA squared is equal to 1001, and that's the identity. What it means, if I multiply this by a matrix, you get back the matrix. So it's the identity. It doesn't change it. Alright, let us look at this. So let us find the determinant first. So it would be 1 over 5 times 2 minus 3 times 1. So that comes on to 5 2's 10 minus 3. That will out to 1 over 7. And then now, change the position of 2 and 5 and change this to negative 3 and this to negative 1. Now we're going to multiply this by the original A, which is 5, 3, 1, 2. So this is what we're going to be multiplying, and this is what is going to give us our answer, and it's going to equate to this. Now let us look up here. So 1 over 7 times 2, negative 3, negative 1, 5. That's times 5, 3, 1, 2. So this is the same thing as this, right? 8 times that. Alright, so let us remember this is supposed to be in rows and this in columns. Just highlighting it. So it's row times column. So 2, 5 would be 10 times minus 1 minus 3, 2, 3, 6, negative 3 times that, negative 6. So it's coming together nicely. Negative 1 times positive 5 will be negative 5, and 5 times 1 would be plus 5. So now we're going to have negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, 5 times 2, 10. Guys, you have to review row by column and so forth, right? So it's 10 minus 3 is 7, 6 minus 6 is 0, negative 5 times that is 0, and negative 3 and that is 7. But remember, we divide by the determinant. So 7 into 7 goes 1 time, so therefore we get 1, 0, 0, 1. And that is how we find the identity of a 2x2 matrix. Now guys, it's very important to note that if this is equivalent to 0, the determinant is 0, we know as a special case where it's called a singular matrix. And for that we could not find that is said to be undefined because we cannot divide by 0. So let us look at another one just for practice sake, and you can actually make up one at home and tell me how it works out. Let us say B now. B is equal to 3/7. And as we say, we're going to find the inverse of this, so it will be b times b negative 1, and that is going to give equals 1, 0, 0, 1. Let us prove that. Alright, so 1 over 3 sevens, 21, 2, 5, 10. So that works out to 1 over 11. 7 goes up, change the position of 7 and 3, and then we change the sign of this, which is negative 5, negative 2, and we multiply it by the original, which was this, it will be 3, 5, 2, 7. So notice we change 7 and 3, right? Alright, now we're going to multiply row by column. So it's 7 3's 21, row times this column, negative 5, that will be negative 10, 7 times 5 will be 35, negative 5 times 7 will be negative 35, negative 2 times 3 will be 6, 3 2 6, it's going to negative 2 times 5 will be negative 10, 3 times 7 is 21, and we can put this over on it. So 21 minus 10 give us 11. Already you can see the answer. This is 0. This works out to 0, and this positive 11. We divide, so we get the identity 1, 0, 0, 1. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Next I'll be looking at equal matrix, but that's coming up. Alright, stay tuned, stay in school.